on, this is train southbound. It's bullshit. Come on, give me the numbers. 8805, 6411, 6507. Today?
Good. Gonna go to the mall.
You gotta go to the mall, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. How are you?
Gonna go shopping, get some new shoes.
Really?
Yeah.
How have you been?
Yeah.
Hey. I'm good. You too, ladies. How you been today?
Good. Tired.
Good, tired?
Yeah. I came from work.
Oh yeah, really good idea. Bye.
Yeah. Did you work?
Yeah, I did this
Today?
morning. I did this morning, yeah.
What time do you go into work?
I went this morning at 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
What time do you get off?
I got 2 to 6 hours.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's just an idea. That's a very good idea.
Okay, Francisco, we're gonna start heading out already, okay?
Okay, what's your name again?
Giselle.
Giselle. All right, Giselle.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye, Francisco.
Hey, tell your mom to be good.
I will.
All right, you too.
Bye.
All right.